How to customize your control panel interface in Plesk. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to customize your Plesk control panel interface, i.e., change your control panel language and skin. Scroll down to the Domain Administration group. Click Domain Administrator Access. Here is the Domain's Properties page. Let's change our control panel language and skin now. Click here to change the language. Let's choose Spanish language. Click here to change the control panel skin. Let's choose WinXP Silver. Scroll down. Click OK when finished. Success! The Plesk control panel language and skin have been updated now. Let's change it back now. We're going to access the domain's properties page in a different way. Click My Account link here. Now let's change the language to English and the skin to Vista style. Scroll down. Click OK here when finished. We're done! The language and skin have been successfully changed back. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to change your control panel language and skin and customize the Plesk appearance to your liking.